Imagine trying to pull a heavy trailer up a steep hill, and suddenly your truck loses almost all of its power, starts vibrating violently with a heavy misfire, and blows a massive cloud of weird-smelling smoke out the tailpipe. If you limp the vehicle home, plug in your Obd2 scanner, and pull a P217 trouble code, your engine computer is reporting a low voltage condition in the supply circuit for fuel injector group H. Modern fuel delivery systems are incredibly precise, acting as the absolute lifeblood of your engine. Instead of a sloppy old-school carburetor, your vehicle uses high-tech electronic fuel injectors that require a very specific electrical voltage to open and close exactly when the engine computer tells them to. Group H just refers to a specific wiring circuit that might control a pair of injectors, or an individual injector, depending on how the factory wired your specific engine block. When the voltage drops too low in this circuit, the injector cannot spray enough fuel, creating a dangerous lean condition where there is way too much air, and not enough gas or diesel. Driving around with a severe lean condition is a fantastic way to literally melt your pistons and destroy the entire engine block. In my experience under the hood, this code is almost always caused by physical damage to the wiring harness. Think about where these wires live. They are bolted directly to a vibrating engine block right next to scorching hot exhaust manifolds. The intense heat eventually bakes the plastic wire insulation until it becomes brittle and flakes off, causing the bare copper wires to short out against the metal engine. You also need to look at the engine valley where the injectors actually sit. Over time, water, leaked oil, or spilled coolant can pool up in that valley, soaking the electrical connectors and causing aggressive green corrosion inside the pins. Unplug the injector connectors, spray them down generously with a good quality electrical contact cleaner, and make sure the locking tabs are tight. Grab your multimeter, set it to the ohms or resistance setting, and do a simple continuity test from the injector plug all the way back to the main computer. If you find incredibly high resistance, you have a bad wire that needs to be cut out, soldered properly, and sealed with marine-grade heat shrink tubing to keep the moisture out permanently.